Windows 10 is a great operating system, but it can be a little slow. I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows operating system by tweaking your system settings. Tip 13. Speed up File Explorer. Let's speed up File Explorer. From your Start button, type in Run. Once you've got to Run, type in temp. OK. Then click Ctrl A and then hit delete. And then click the do this for all current items and skip. If it doesn't delete all the items, don't worry about it, that's fine. The next thing you need to do is go back and then type in run. And this time we're going to type in %temp%. And we're going to do the same thing again. Select all the files and delete them. And if some files don't get deleted, no need to worry about that. That's perfectly fine. The last one we're going to do now, same, type in run, and this time we're going to type in prefetch, and then click OK, and then highlight any files that are in there and press delete. You should find now that your File Explorer will open a lot more snappier. Tip 14. Turn off Xbox game bar. Okay, for this one we're going to go to the Windows and hit the settings cog, click the settings cog and go to gaming, and make sure you turn off enabled Xbox bar, turn this one off, and also turn off open Xbox game using. This will speed up your PC further. Tip 15. Optimizing Windows 10 system drive. Go to your Explorer. You can, if you've got an icon here, you can click that one, or just right click on the Windows icon and select File Explorer. Once you're inside File Explorer, go to this PC, and you'll see one of your drives would have the Windows icon on it. That's the one where your Windows system is installed. Normally it's on the C drive. Right click, properties and tools, optimize your drive. If you haven't done the check disk, do the quick check disk on here first, but after that then you can do the optimize, and you notice that we get this optimized drives come up. As you can see, this one was scanned 11 days ago, so we're going to scan this one, so we just click optimize, and we wait for that to be optimized. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button and the notification bell so that you will be informed of any new videos that we create. If you would like to see more videos like these on different topics regarding PC, leave your comments in the comments section below, along with any other topics that you'd like me to cover in future videos.